So good morning, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this first webinar of our webinar series, 15 Minutes of Fame, and present the flagship of advanced mathematics for sensing, imaging, and modeling. I start with a few words of the Finnish flagship program. This is a Research Council of Finland's instrument to support high-quality research and increase the economic and societal impact emerging from the research. It's a new, unique way to do research, development, and innovation in Finland. And it provides substantial long-term funding for large ecosystems called flagships, each operating on a specific field. The flagship program promotes active collaboration between research, business, and society. The FAME flagship is a competence center of applied mathematics, physics, and applied sciences. It is based on internationally leading research on inverse problems. I say a few words of the inverse problems. So these are problems that involve interpreting indirect observations with mathematics. These problems are highly sensitive to measurement noise and modeling inaccuracies, and therefore they require specialized expertise and the development of new mathematical methods for accurate computation. Examples of such problems include studying the Earth's internal structure from seismic waves, medical imaging methods such as MRI and X-ray tomography, and remote sensing of atmosphere. FAME academic partners are located in 7 Finnish universities and Finnish Meteorological Institute. In total, we have 44 principal investigators with their research groups located at these 8 sites. Our stakeholders come from companies of different technologies, university hospitals, research institutes, organizations, schools, etc. The vision of FAME is shaping the future with mathematics, physics, and computing. We are an internationally leading competence center of applied mathematicians, physicists, and applied scientists. And we aim to tackle challenges arising from industry and society, to boost Finnish economy, and to promote global well-being. To reach this vision, we have the following objectives. We will provide beyond state-of-the-art methods of inverse mathematics, physics, and computational sciences for tackling challenges in sensing, imaging, and modeling. We will collaborate with stakeholders in industry and society to develop solutions for different applications. We will train scientists with multidisciplinary expertise, and we will establish a strong outreach and communication with the members of the public. In the core of the operation of the FAME flagship are our research programs, mathematical foundations, computational imaging and modeling, uncertainty quantification and machine learning, and experimental system development. The theoretical base of FAME flagship is built by development of new mathematical methodologies in our theme group Mathematical Foundations. Examples of topic studies in this group are geometric inverse problems, such as those arising from seismic imaging, and new methodologies for nonlinear inverse problems. In computational modeling and imaging, we develop computational methods for modeling different physical phenomena and technologies. Also, we develop novel imaging and data analysis methods. These developed methods are implemented in efficient numerical algorithms. In uncertainty quantification and machine learning, we study modeling of uncertainties in data and models. Further, we introduce machine learning methodologies that utilize physical models and complement imaging algorithms. The experimental system development in FAME flagship means development of novel technical solutions to existing imaging devices, for example, MRI and X-ray tomography, and design and construction of new sensing and imaging systems using, for example, electricity and light. These research programs provide methodologies for our impact theme groups. And through these impact themes, we collaborate with our stakeholders. I will next go through our 6 impact themes, starting from scientific impact. The generality of mathematics enables transferring methods from one application area to another. And expertise in mathematics and natural sciences advance new innovations and solutions to major global challenges. Therefore, the expertise of FAME flagship is available and accessible to a wide scientific community and stakeholders. In industrial collaboration, we refine current imaging and monitoring systems and pioneer the creation of new practices together with industry. This is collaborative work on various imaging and sensing applications for different fields, for example, medical imaging, pharmacy, process industry, and remote sensing. In addition, boosting innovations and startup companies is an important part of FAME activities. In medicine, medical imaging is one of the core topics of the FAME flagship. This includes all the steps of the entire chain from the development of advanced imaging modalities to applying them in clinics. This is done in close collaboration with the end user partners. And the application examples include, for example, studying brain function, musculoskeletal diseases, and cardiac imaging. In sustainable environment, we develop computational methods to support environmentally sustainable development. The Finnish Meteorological Institute is in a central role in this, with their leading expertise, for example, in satellite data modeling and analysis. The applications in this field can be found in remote sensing, such as detecting carbon sources and sinks, monitoring forest biodiversity, characterization of groundwater resources, and monitoring of atmosphere and greenhouse gases. We will provide the next generation of experts the necessary skills and learning tools in our training group. In addition, we will make open courses and other study material available online for everybody and pilot new doctoral education practices. In addition, FAME has collaboration with East African countries on mathematics training. Science communication and outreach activities are in a central role in the FAME flagship. We will collaborate with schools and education sectors and are especially interested in motivating children and young people on mathematics and natural sciences. In addition, we will participate in public discussion on mathematics and technology topics. After our impact, I move on a few words on doctoral education. So FAME cooperates closely with the doctoral education pilot for mathematics of sensing, imaging, and modeling. This is part of Finnish government's initiative to train 1,000 new doctors. And in DREAM pilot, we have 100 doctoral research positions in the flagship's partner universities. We will provide high-quality scientific and industry-driven training to these new doctors. In case you're interested to hear more about FAME flagship research and innovation work or collaborate with us, feel free to contact us. So thank you for your attention.